Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine, and Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. So basically now I am in my rooftop of my building. So I think that if I make a video here, then that video will also helpful for you, that improve your listening power. So let's get started into our today's video. So basically in our today's video I'm going to talk about some hobbies. Basically today I am talk about one of my hobby, that is gardening. Basically I have a small garden in my rooftop, and you can see some plants here, and there are also some plants, so that are actually my plants. And these plants I try to water all the plants every day in the afternoon or in the evening, so they can live longer. So here you can see it's a lemon tree, and there are some lemons. So I hope hopefully very soon we will be able to eat this lemon. It is now too small, and here you can see it's orange tree basically, and there is no orange now. When it's season, then it actually grow. So there is also some trees. You can see this tree is actually pomegranate tree, and I hope you have heard about this. And you can see this tree is basically it's a acid fruit tree. I hope you know that what is acid fruit. And you can see it's a papaya tree. And so these trees are actually in the stock in my garden, and it's a very small garden in my rooftop. So I hope you will like this video. Then please subscribe on my YouTube channel, so that helps me and that motivates me to make some more videos for all of you. So that's for our today's video, and inshallah we will meet in the next video. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.